If you're looking for a comfortable memory foam mattress that really does stay cooler at night, then this gel memory foam mattress could be a great option for you. This is the Softa 10-inch cooling gel memory foam mattress, and it was given to me in exchange for my honest opinion. I have been loving it ever since using it for a whole bunch of reasons. The cooling gel memory foam layer really helps to keep me cool while I'm sleeping. I just hate waking up a sweaty mess. It's got a nice breathable cover, which also helps with that. Plus, it's a memory foam mattress, so it's great if you like the feel of that memory foam. I sometimes sleep on my side, and it can be difficult finding a good position. This memory foam mattress makes it so much easier. It's really comfortable, and look at how thick it is. The mattress came in a nice box. All I had to do was unbox it, unroll it, and the mattress took about 1 or 2 days to really fully expand. Overall, I've been loving this memory foam mattress by Softa and would highly recommend it if you're looking for a mattress to help you keep cool at night.